Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change your password for your Margex account using the Margex mobile app. So in order to do that, first of all, open the Margex application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will end up in this home page, from where you will need to tap on the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. Within the settings menu, scroll down under security and tap on change password. Now, in the first tab, enter your current password for your Margex account. On the next field, enter a new password for your account. Re-enter the new password in the last field and finally click on the confirm button in order to change your password. After you do that, you will be able to change your password for your Margex account in just a couple of steps. Next time when prompted or while logging in, you will now need to enter the newly updated password. That's how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.